Imagine this: selling fax machines on the sweltering hot streets of Florida door to door is how Sara harnessed available resources and turned them into one of today's most lucrative companies, boasting a staggering worth of over $1 billion. Like every remarkable success story, her journey is not without its trials. Packed with pain, patience, relentless hard work, abundant passion, and steadfast endurance, Sara has become a beacon of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs everywhere. In this video, we dive deep into the invaluable wisdom distilled from Sara's experiences, offering actionable inspiration for your life, entrepreneurs everywhere, and startups eager to rewrite their own stories. Welcome back to Success Rebels TV, where we ignite our journey to an extraordinary and deeply fulfilling life. Today, let's explore 10 priceless nuggets of advice inspired by the lioness herself that can pave your path to unwavering success. Advice number 1. Figure it out as you move. Too many great ideas lie dormant, stifled by the fear of not having a flawless plan. Sara advocates for a different approach. Embrace the journey and learn along the way. You don't need to wait for the perfect timing or an MBA. Start small and act now. Everyone wrestles with insecurities, but those who mask their struggles often cultivate their own reality. Don't let the need for a perfectly laid out plan hold you back. Take the leap and discover new opportunities as you go. Advice number 2. Take calculated risks. In business, impulsive decisions are a recipe for disaster. Sara's vision for Spanx was groundbreaking, but she didn't jump ship before securing critical partnerships with Neiman Marcus and Saks Fifth Avenue. Knowing when to take calculated risks while ensuring your safety net is vital. Balance the drive for innovation with prudent preparation to sustain yourself through challenges while keeping your eye on the grand vision. Advice number 3. Stay motivated, always. Despite facing numerous setbacks, Sara's relentless determination never wavered. Each challenge she encountered propelled her towards her goals with renewed vigor. After a pivotal move to Atlanta, she fervently pursued her dreams. Let this serve as a rallying cry for you. Remain steadfastly motivated, even when obstacles threaten to derail you. Resilience in the face of adversity will lead you to the summit of success. Advice number 4. It's okay to fall. Just get back up. On the path to financial freedom and success, embrace the reality that failure is an integral part of the journey. From an early age, Sara understood that failure is not only a natural occurrence, but also a powerful catalyst for growth. With a father who encouraged her to confront failure head-on, she learned to embrace her missteps as opportunities for improvement. Recognize that every setback is a chance to learn. By doing so, you'll cultivate resilience and wisdom that will serve you well. Remember, it's the journey of growth, learning, and perseverance that truly defines your success. Advice number 5. Choose your mentors wisely. When stepping into the entrepreneurial arena, you'll encounter a myriad of voices offering their insights. Each perspective comes with its own beliefs, aspirations, and goals. It's crucial to discern whose advice aligns with your vision and values. While you'll inevitably hear criticisms and doubts, mocking your ideas as unrealistic, understand that this feedback can be both relevant and irrelevant. Ultimately, what matters is that you dare to pursue your ambitious goals. Be cautious about collaborating with individuals who don't share your vision. A divergence in perspective, even slight, can significantly impact your journey. Remember, not all advice is created equal. Prioritize wisdom that resonates with your purpose. Advice number 6. Ignite your passion first. Your aspirations must ignite a fire within you before they can inspire others. Cultivate deep conviction in your ideas. This inner belief will empower you to confront skepticism head-on. In the business realm, your tenacity is fueled by the number of people you rally around your vision. But before you can persuade the crowd, you must fully convince yourself. Advice number 7. Embrace rejection as a stepping stone. Every no you encounter isn't a dead end, it's a lesson in resilience. Consider Sara, who faced numerous setbacks before rising to billionaire status. After struggling academically and professionally, she transitioned from law school to selling fax machines door to door. Those early rejections became valuable life lessons, teaching her the importance of perseverance. Rather than bowing to doubt, she embraced these challenges and emerged stronger, equipped with the skills to navigate the business world. Advice number 8. Visualize your goals daily. Writing out your goals and placing them in plain sight is a powerful practice that fosters accountability and clarity. This simple act transforms your aspirations into tangible reminders of your journey, guiding you even through the busiest of days. By documenting your intentions, you consciously steer yourself toward your destination. As Sara emphasizes, maintaining a detailed record of your progress lays the strong foundation necessary for any successful startup. Advice number 9. Identify and solve critical problems. Direct your energy toward addressing significant pain points in people's lives. Sara launched her venture driven by her frustration as a consumer, seeking to wear white pants without worrying about unsightly lines. Instead of joining the throngs of complainants, she chose to become the solution. Her journey of research and refinement to alleviate a common struggle has established her as a thought leader in the industry. To make an impact and secure your financial goals, focus on providing genuine value to the world. Ultimate Rebel advice: don't stop. Keep going. Sara's journey wasn't paved with ease. After a year of dedicated product development, doubt crept in, prompting her to seek a sign of assurance on her path. It was in that moment of vulnerability that she felt a profound reconnection to her passion. This illustrates a crucial lesson. Sometimes you may question your direction. It is exactly in those moments that you must press on. Success and the financial freedom you desire are not achieved overnight. Expect challenges and setbacks, but keep your eyes steadfast on the prize. In summary, if you aspire to rise above adversity and claim your victories, discover your purpose, refine your groundbreaking ideas, engage in continuous selling, and above all, refuse to surrender. These principles illuminate your path to greatness. I invite you to share which advice resonated most with you in the comments below. Your journey awaits. Embrace it with unwavering determination. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? If you want to find more ways to increase wealth and grow as a person, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll return with more inspiring and life-changing videos next Sunday.